Hi students, let us start today class. Today I am going to teach exercise 5.3 12th question. See, find the equations of a line whose intercept on x and y axis are given below. Okay, so we know that yes, equation in the form of intercept form. What is that? In this line, okay, in this given line is intercept intersecting on both the coordinates, x coordinates and y coordinates. So is intersecting both the line means, see here, this is x axis, this is y axis, here intersecting this line. In this line equation we want to find, so here x intercept a, yes, so this point is a comma 0 and y intercept b, this point is 0 comma b, yes. So in this equation only we want to find, here it is given that what is that, x intercept a, yes, x intercept a, this implies a value is minus 5, okay, and y intercept b, b value is 3 by 4, okay, b value is 3 by 4, then means negative side we will get, yes. So see, now in this equation we know what is that, both the intercept form, so equations of a line in intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, yes. So now you substitute a and b value, x by a value is minus 5 plus y by 3 value is, b value is 3 by 4, okay, this is equal to 1. Now this x by minus y, minus will go numerator or else yes, minus x by 5, okay, here 4 will go numerator, so that 4y by 3 is equal to 1, okay. Now both the denominator you see it is different, yes. So see, want to take LCM because both the denominator is different, then means you want to take LCM. 5 3s are 15, then means 3 will go here, then means minus 3x plus 4 5s are 20y is equal to 1, okay. In this step I took LCM. Then next step, cross multiplication, like this want to do. Now next step you see, minus 3x plus 20y is equal to 1 into 15 15. So next step, minus 3x plus 20y plus 15, this side come, minus 15 is equal to 0. Now x always we want to, x coefficient always we want to get positive, so that multiply by minus 1. Multiply by minus 1 means this plus 3x, wherever minus is there it's changed into plus, wherever plus is there is changed into minus, then means 3x minus 20y plus 15 is equal to 0 is required equations of a line, okay, required equation of a line, okay, that's all. So see here, both the intercept is given, so using intercept we receive the answer, therefore this is the equations of a line, okay, that's all. See, next 13th question, find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. Here equation is given, question has to find intercept, yes. So x intercept a and y intercept b, coordinate axis means two coordinates, x and y coordinates, so x intercept a and y intercept b, then means a and b value we want to find, okay. So for that it is given here equation, before question intercept is, it is given, using intercept we receive the equation. In this equation is given, we want to find a and b value, okay. Then means you see, given equation solution, given equation you should change in the form of, given equation is 4x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0, okay. So we know that intercept form, yes. So given equation we want to change in the intercept form, okay. So first we can write intercept form. First one, write interrupt form. What is that? X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. Okay, now only you want to write given equation. Given equation is 4x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So given equation you want to change in the form of like this. Then means 4x plus 3y you keep this side. Then plus 12 you want to bring that side, means plus 12 that side go minus 12. Now here we want to get 1, means here what constant? Constant is minus 12. Then means both the side you should divide by minus 12. Then only right hand side you will get it as a 1. Okay, therefore both the sides divide by minus 12. Then means 4x you should divide by minus 12 plus 3y you should divide by minus 12 and minus 12 you should divide by minus 12. Then means this you cancel, means x by minus 3 plus here cancel, means y by minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay. So this is equation 2. This is equation 1. So from 1 and 2 you should compare. From 1 and 2 compare means A value we received minus 3 and B value we received as a minus 4. Yes, here A place minus 3 is there, B place minus 4 is there. Okay, therefore the interrupt is, okay, therefore the interrupts made by the line on the coordinate axis, x interrupt minus 3 and y interrupt minus 4. Okay, this is one method. Okay, one more method is there. You follow any one of method. So this is first method. Okay, maximum you want to use this method, or else method 2 means, what does that means? So we know that, okay, x interrupt A, y interrupt B means, here you see given equation you write. Given equation is 4x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Put x interrupt A means y is equal to 0. Yes, y point is 0. So you substitute y point is 0 means 4x plus 3 of 0 plus 12 is equal to 0. Next step, 4x is equal to minus 12. So x is equal to minus 12 by 4. So x is equal to minus 3. Okay, so x interrupt A. So A value we received as a minus 3. See, this implies x interrupt minus 3. Okay, next we know that y interrupt B means x is equal to 0. B point will be there, y point will be there, x point will be 0. That means you substitute in this equation, you should substitute. Okay, this keep it as the equation 1. Okay, y is equal to 0, substitute in 1. So x is equal to 0, substitute in 1. So substitute in 1 means 4 into 0 plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So 4 into 0, 0. So we can leave. This 3y is equal to plus 12, that's why go minus 12. Y is equal to minus 12 by 3. This implies y you will receive as a minus 4. Okay. Therefore, y interrupt minus 4. Okay. That's all. So here asked x interrupt and y interrupt. So we have received the answer. This is method 2. So you can follow any one of the method. Maximum first method you can use, or else this method 2 you can use. Any one of the method you can follow. Okay, that's all. See, next 14th one. Find the equations of a straight line. Okay, short form ST, straight line. First one is passing through. 2 points are there. First point is passing through 1 comma minus 4 and has interrupt which are in the ratio 2:5. Okay, here before question how we did. Okay, first one 12th question we did as 12th question model only, but here ratio is given. Okay, interrupt it is given in that ratio form. Okay, interrupt it is given in the ratio form. Okay, so using ratio form we want to find the equation. Okay, so for that first you see solution. So we know that first you write, we know that equations of a straight line, equations of a straight line in interrupt form. Interrupt form, what is that? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Yes. Now see here it is given that interrupts are in the ratio is 2:5. Then means a is to b is equal to 2:5. So x interrupt a, y interrupt b. So that a is to b. Okay. So x interrupt a and y interrupt b. So a is to b is equal to 2:5. Can change into fraction form, means a by b is equal to 2/5. Now we need any one of the value, one or a. So a value you want means, okay. So what will get here? You see, or else you need b value. Cross multiplication you do. 5a is equal to 2b. So we need 2b value, means 2 will go down. So 5a by 2. Why I took b value means here sometimes, so suppose a value you are writing means b sometimes you will consider as a 6. Okay, while writing automatically b is changed into 6. Okay, so that you will make mistake. For that you substitute b value, then means b value I received 5a by 2. So b 5a by 2 you substitute in that equation, interrupt equation. Okay, so substitute means now here x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Now x by a you should write as it is, plus y by b value is, what is that? B value is 5a by 2. 5a by 2 is equal to 1. 5a by 2 is equal to 1. Now next step. So this x by a plus this denominator 2, it's go numerator 2y by 5a is equal to 1. Now want to take LCM. Okay, taking LCM a 5a. So 5a only, because of 5a you want to, a is common, 5 you want to take. That means here denominator a is the, a only is there. Which one is missing? 5 is missing. So 5x plus this denominator 5a only, that means 2y you can write as it is, this is equal to 1. Okay, so here I did LCM. Now 5x plus 2y is equal to 1 into 5a, 5a. So this is equation 1. Now one point is given. This point is passing through this equation. Since the point 1 comma minus 4 passing through the equation 1. So then means x value is 1 and y value is minus 4. Substitute means a value will receive. Therefore 5 of 1 plus 2 of minus 4 is equal to 5a. Then means 5 ones are 5. Here 2 fours are minus 8 is equal to 5a. Okay. Now next step. So see here 5 minus 8 means we will get it as a minus 3 is equal to 5a. Yes. Now see this. Now you want a value, means 5 will come down. So minus 3 by 5 is equal to a. Therefore this implies a value is, what is that? Minus 3 by 5. So a value we received. So a value you should substitute in equation 1. We will get it as a answer. Okay. So a value minus 3 by 5 substitute in equation 1 means equation 1 is 5x plus 2y is equal to 5a. Then means 5x plus 2y is equal to 5 of a value is minus 3 by 5. So this denominator numerator will get cancelled. So 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3. Then 5x plus 2y minus 3 this side comes, plus 3 is equal to 0 is right here equations of a line. Okay. So here equation of a line. Here you see what actually it is given, interrupt in the ratio form. So using ratio form I receive the answer. Okay. So equations of straight line is asked, therefore we receive that equation. That's all. See next second point, 14th second point. The same, find the equations of straight line passing through the point minus 8 comma 4 and making equal interrupt on the coordinate axis. Before question ratio form it is given, but here making equal interrupt. Okay, that means interrupts are equal. So x interrupt A, y interrupt B means A value and B value will be equal. So using the condition we want to get the equation. See solution, we know that equations of a straight line in interrupt form. Equations of a straight line in interrupt form. What is that? X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Here given that making equal interrupts on the axis. Okay, on the coordinate axis. So that means A is equal to B or else B is equal to A. Okay, one or A is equal to B or else B is equal to A. Now since you substitute now here x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now x by A plus, instead of this you substitute, instead of B, one or A is equal to B also you substitute. So sometimes B you will consider as a 6, so that I am using. So instead of B I am substituting A. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Since here B is equal to A. Now both also same denominator, so A, take it as a LCM, numerator as it is you should add. So x by A plus y by B, x plus y divided by A is equal to 1. Now denominator A, that's a go multiplication. Therefore see x plus y is equal to A, this equation 1. Since here one point is given, what is that? Minus, since the point minus 8 comma 4 passing through the equation 1. This point is passing through this equation. Okay, so then means you substitute in this point, you should substitute instead of x minus 8, instead of y 4. So minus 8 plus 4 is equal to A. Now minus 8 plus 4 means minus 4 is equal to A. This implies A value you received as a minus 4. So now A value minus 4, substitute in equation 1. A is equal to minus 4, substitute in equation 1 means equation 1 is x plus y is equal to A. So instead of A you should substitute, so x plus y, instead of minus A value minus 4. Therefore x plus y minus 4 this side come, plus 4 is equal to 0 is required equations of a line. This is important because 5 mark they will ask. Okay, required equations of a line. So using interrupt they will ask one 5 mark question. So it is important, is easy also. Okay, here it is given making equal interrupts, A is equal to B or B is equal to A. Using that condition we have received that equation. That equation is x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, that's all.